Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to learn all about the Joe-Pye weed, or Eupatorium. It's a gorgeous Native American plant. So the Eupatorium fistulosum, or the Joe-Pye weed, is native to the southeastern states of the United States. So this variable perennial grows 3 to 10 feet tall, can get huge, and about as wide. And it likes constantly moist, humus-rich, composted soil, and it'll tolerate periods of wetness. And it produces heads of rosy mauve flowers from midsummer to early fall. And it can be invasive in rich, moist soil, but is easily controlled by division every second year. So Joe-Pye weed, or Eupatorium, is hardy from zone 7 to 10. So they don't do really well in cold climates, but you can always dig them up and replant them in the spring again. And just protect them in the winter like you would a dahlia or any other tender plant. And they're a great, easy plant to grow by seed in the spring or by division in the fall. And they'll come back year after year. They're a great flower addition to your garden.